Do you feel clean?
I feel dirty because I was with Mamelin and I'm not sure if he ate the feed with me or not.
They bloody, hey, those crystals, eh?
Scratching his ass.
No, not scratching my ass. I bloody, I was picking the crystals out.
Just looks like it.
I was picking the crystals out, alright?
See that? Andrew's smelling Timmy because he's been in the
Oh,
water.
you don't smell too bad, no.
Yeah.
I like me.
Haven't had this one out for a while, cock.
No. Fuck, the old grounds are there, mate. No, that ain't gonna happen.
So what are you going to leave it?
Yeah, I'll just jump in it like that. Be alright.
You'll be that smashed away, man.
28 beers tonight.
I'll see what you've been.
Oh, you bought the Bundy too, didn't you?
Yeah. The big bunny bear. I think that's the light one, cock. You ever had that one?
No.
I was just thinking that light colour, yeah.
Bloody.
Meant to be smooth.
It's actually not. It's still 37% alcohol, but it's actually
Oh, really?
light in flavour. See that light, Andy?
Huh?
I've got light in my fridge.
Yeah, it's a bloody tosser.
Roger has a go.
Oh, mine's not actually built in. It come with the Ingle, but it's a little stick-on.
No, this is built in. This is the real thing. Get out.
It's beating.
Packing heat. What else is in here?
Got a carrot. You're gonna blow yourself up here. Just finishing off an awesome feed. Look at Timmy go.
Hungry, eh?
Oh, I think you've never eaten before.
That was bloody beautiful.